Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to change the captions text color on the Facebook app when using your PC. If you've noticed the new update and want better visibility or just prefer a different look, this setting is easy to adjust once you know where to find it. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This section is where Facebook keeps most of the visual and usability settings. Next, go into Accessibility Settings. This is where you can customize how content appears, especially if you want a more comfortable viewing experience. Inside Accessibility, scroll until you see Video in Motion, then click on it. This area controls how videos behave and how captions are displayed. Now select Captions Display. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Text Color. Click on it, and you'll see different color choices available. Pick the color that works best for you, whether you want something more vibrant or easier to read against different backgrounds. After selecting your preferred option, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your captions will now appear in the new text color whenever you watch videos on Facebook. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tips like this to get the most out of your apps.